Greeting everyone. Thank you for attending my meeting on Total Lab Automation. As you are aware, the shortage of qualified medical lab personnel is expected to continue for many years to come. This is a big problem in our organization, as the staffing shortage have resulted in communication breakdown, which has led to poor testing quality, poor workplace morale, and poor patient care. The impact of this problem we have seen, patient census dropped by 10%, lab revenue dropped by 5%, patient complaints are up by 20%. I would like to recommend Total Lab Automation as our solution. My name is Helena Lee. I'm the Director of Lab and Pathology. I've had 20 years experience in managing and directing medical labs through process improvement, process efficiency, laboratory performance improvement with the use of Total Lab Automation. I'm recommending Total Lab Automation as a solution to improve process efficiency, quality testing, and overtime containment. Total Lab Automation will require an increase in equipment budget for the year, but I will show you in my presentation that the benefit will exceed the cost. I recommend installing Total Lab Automation to replace the critical lab testing processes. The funding need for this project is $1.5 million. What is Total Lab Automation, you may ask? Total Lab Automation combines all the critical lab testing modules from pre-analytical to post-analytical on a track for testing, thereby eliminating the manual processes. Here are 3 reasons why I recommend Total Lab Automation. It improves process efficiency, improves test quality, and improves overtime containment. Here's how Total Lab Automation can improve our process efficiency. It automates all the intensive testing phases, labor-intensive testing phases. Our current process requires extensive manual preparation. Our tech has to uncap the specimen, spin it down, then put it in a centrifuge, split the sample for multiple testing, then load it on the correct instrument. And after the testing is completed, they have to recap the samples for storage. This is a very time-consuming process that will be eliminated with the use of Total Lab Automation. Studies have shown that Total Lab Automation can reduce our testing turnaround time by 20 minutes. Our average turnaround time currently is 60 minutes. With a 20 minutes reduction, that's an overall process efficiency improvement of 33%. Now I will go over how Total Lab Automation can improve our testing quality. Most diagnostic laboratory errors happen in the sample preparation stage. If you recall, we had a recent case where 2 body fluids arrived at the lab simultaneously for both chemistry and hematology tests. The lab assistant mislabeled one of the specimens with the other patient's label, which resulted in a correct report, repeat testing, and significantly prolong our turnaround time. Total Lab Automation will eliminate the tedious process of manual preparation or relabeling for multiple testing, thereby reduce our pre-analytical error significantly. Last but not least, I will go over how total lab automation can improve our overtime containment. Our current process requires a team of 4 for each testing department in order to complete the orders within an 8-hour shift. But for most days, we could only schedule 2 due to the staffing shortage. So everyone have to work overtime. With total lab automation, research have shown that it can increase the number of tests performed by each testing personnel by over 200%. So we would only need a team of 2 to complete the test order within an 8 hours period. Total lab automation will require an increase in equipment budget of $1 million for the year. The finance department may have concern with the significant increase in budget, and here's our rebuttal. Since with total lab automation, we will be cutting our need for overtime payment. Thereby, we will have a saving of $865,000 overtime costs. This was the overtime expense that we have last year. In addition, total lab automation will allow our staff the time that they need to call the nurses and the doctors to inform them of any specimen recollection needed. So we will reduce the rate of order cancellation significantly. Last year, our average annual revenue loss from order cancellation is $25 million. With just a 10% reduction in order cancellation by the use of total lab automation, this could give us an additional revenue of $2.5 million. As you can see, the total saving of using total lab automation would definitely exceed the funding cost of total lab automation. In summary, total lab automation is an investment of $1.5 million, and it is the best solution for a staffing shortage. Total lab automation improves our process efficiency, testing quality, and overtime containment. It will relieve time for our staff to focus on high-value processes, preventing communication breakdown and order cancellation. Total lab automation project approval and funding are needed by the end of June 2023. Let's use total lab automation to be our gold standard lab our patients and staff deserve. Thank you for your time, and please contact me if you have any question or concern on total lab automation. And here's a reference list. Thank you.